Hey, let's get you caught up on what's going on. I'm working on the Brother today, and just for grins, let's flip the power supply on here. Part of what I'm doing is working on this. Yeah. So, let's take a look. Alright, so I've got the Brother opened up right now. And part of the reason for that is so we could actually get over here. That's the built-in light for the Brother, and that's it. I mean, it's just the one. But nicely enough, it's got mounts for two. So what I did was I ordered one of these LED light kits for pickup trucks, actually, for cars. And I got two of them. Terribly expensive, but the nice part is we can just tap right into that. So I'm working on right now getting the wiring done, the old wiring out, that is, so I can replace this side. The other side was pretty easy and very, very bright. So let's take a look in the control box. Alright, word of caution. Kill your power before you touch any of this stuff. I've already done so. I checked for live wires. I've checked to make sure that everything had discharged, so we're in good shape. Now, that is a 100 volt setup, and it actually had been tied into LT100 and T100, right? So, you know, line T100, just to give you an idea of just how much power that thing was drawing. So 100 volts. The system we're going to be putting in it is only a 12 volt, 3 amp system, 3.5 amp system, so because it's LEDs. I'm not sure if I'm going to wire it in here or not. I know Dylan did. He came in because this is a 24 volt relay. So both of these top two are 24 volts. So you can, or top four, I guess you can see. They're 24 volt. One is DC, one's AC. So you could run a relay to that and a step down and bring it down to the 12 volt and have it automatic. With the switch. At some point I may do that. Right now I'm just using a toggle switch, so it's nothing too special. But for now, this is just the initial setup, trying to see how things are going. So I'm going to keep working on this. Oh, I guess I should show you before I punch out. You'll see that the wire comes down through here, right? Comes up through here. Well, what happens is it actually feeds around. So this is that wire. And you can see I need to clean out the chip bin. I've been doing maintenance. So feeds up and over through here. There's a cover that goes on here. You can see the standoffs for the cover. I've got that pulled off and over here. Basically all the way over to here, right, and up through here. So you guys get an idea of it. I'd really love to actually cut these doors, and because you can see the doors sitting there. I'd love to have windows. Love to put some access windows, or just so you can see. But for right now, this is where I'm at. I may run some airlines in here, so at the same time, so I can set the Crace up and start recording. Actually, with the camera I'm holding in my hand right now. So sorry for the shaky cam today. All right, while I'm in here, I'm going to replace the batteries, since I have not done that. And I want everyone to note that it says, in the tapping center, the data in the memory is retained by batteries. If the batteries are dead, the battery alarm mark is shown will appear on the right bottom of the screen. If this mark appears, replace the batteries. They're alkaline AA's, pretty standard. This has been replacing the batteries. Be sure to set the batteries in the orientation indicated on the lid of the battery box after turning off the main power breaker. So we do this with the power off, apparently. So battery box is here. There's a second battery on the side. So we'll take a look. I don't know how well you can see that, but this is the battery box. Looks like there's 3 of them. There are Duracells and there are AA's. So, this is kind of terrifying, I hope. Well, terrifying in that if I don't get this right, I lose all my parameters or my settings. So, yeah, we'll see. Now we're going to fire it up and see what happens. And lights on. Wow, that's a big difference, huh? All right, and to return. Yeah, everything looks good. I'm gonna turn this back off and get back to doing my lighting. All right, just for grins. Oh. Forgot I've got the light on in here right now. Oh. I was using my light from Ben. Yeah, so as you can see, pretty dark in there. Do one light, two lights, and yeah, that's practically daylight in there. That's definitely an improvement. So yeah, wow, this should be interesting. I'm looking forward to this. So at this point, I just need to button up the wiring, get everything mounted in the back. I'm just using a bench power supply for right now, but whoa, I'm impressed. So there you have it. Nice, bright LED provided lights. Significantly brighter than the original single light that was in there, and I'll put links below in the description for the lights where I got these on Amazon. I want to say they were only like $35, $36 a piece. So overall, right now I've got like 75, 80 bucks in this upgrade. So definitely worthwhile and worth it to me. So. You know, there's some other little things that I'll do along the way with this. I'll probably make better brackets. I'm not sure I like the ones that it came with. You know, I'll tighten things up a little bit along the way. But for now, this is good enough. Gets me going and improves the lighting situation here. Next step is to run some air lines so that this camera you're looking at right now can find its way inside here for some close-up action on the machine. Anyways, thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, and I will see you again soon.